Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my new channel Techie Peggy. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Vlookup. So just show you how do we use the names to grab all the information. So here I type Vlookup. So just press is equal to and then type Vlookup and then press tab. So now the lookup value is Piyush Kumar. We want to search his salary. So just select Piyush Kumar and then press comma. And now we have to select table array. So this is our table. So just select column A and B and then press comma. Now we have to select column index. Now we have two things. One is Piyush Kumar and then other thing is salary. We want to search his salary and salary is available in column 2. So just press 2 and then press comma. And now we have two options. One is true for approximate match and another one is false for exact match, and we want the exact match. So select exact match and press enter. Now you can see we get the correct data and we can verify from table 1. So this is Piyush Kumar and his salary is 32,000. So you can see in our table Piyush Kumar and his salary is 32,000. So the data is correct. So just select the data and drag it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.